Today, I'll show you how to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone in 2025 using the iRecovery app. It works on all iOS versions and the process is super simple. Let's dive in. Before we start, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Steps to recover photos. Enable background app. Refresh. Go to settings greater than general, greater than background app refresh, and turn it on for Wi-Fi and cellular data. Turn off low power mode. Go to settings greater than battery and switch off low power mode, as it disables app refresh. Download iRecovery. Open Safari or any browser. Visit and search for iRecovery app, download it, and install. Once installed, you can easily recover deleted photos without any hassle. If this works for you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.